What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be breaking down the signal alerts that were sent out to the Telegram group today for this morning, US 30 Dirty 30. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, we were done. We came, we nailed, we bailed, made profit. The signal was on point. It hit take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. US 30 just completely squeezed up and ripped, and that's exactly what we wanted. So I'm going to break down today's trades, today's signals, alerts to you guys like we do day in and day out. I made phenomenal money today, but not only did I make money, I have so many students that made money today. This student made 236 profit. This student here made 564 profit. This student here made $400 of profit. This student here made $2,000 of profit. So I have members coming each and every single day, crushing it day in and day out in the Forex market right off the signals. I send my signals right here in my private VIP Telegram group, guys. So if you're ever interested in joining that, it is going to be the link below this YouTube video, as well as using the same broker as me. Now, with trading, guys, trading can be very risky and it can be hard. But what makes it even harder is when you have a broker that works against you or has restriction or has rules. So I tell people over and over again, man, look at the car, a broker is like your trading vehicle, right? So if I'm doing really good with this broker and this trading vehicle, why wouldn't everybody else use it? You see what I'm saying? Like why are people using other Forex brokers? Why are people using prop firms that are basically working against you so you fail and for you to basically sign up again with them, right? So if you guys are interested in using the same exact broker as me, it is going to be the very first link below this YouTube video. Click the link below this YouTube video, sign up with the same broker as me underneath my name, because that broker uses a platform called Trade Locker. Trade Locker, think of it like MT4, MT5, but 10 times better. They're going to be launching a copy trading, which means that anybody that uses the same broker as me, using my link, and they have Trade Locker, eventually you're going to be able to enable it to the fact where you can copy my exact same trades. So if you have a busy life, busy schedule, anytime I make a trade, it will make the same exact trade on your account as long as you're using the same broker as me with my link. You're under my link, my ID, and you're using Trade Locker. So big fucking things coming, guys. And again, the profits I make day in and day out, week after week, month after month, those could be the exact same profits that you make depending on how much you put in your account, right? So let's talk about US 30 signal alert today. I told everyone here at 8:20 buying US 30 at 38,176.28, obviously with the chart, with all take profits. With US 30, what did I want to see this one do? I want to see this one squeeze up towards these highs. And then I sent the signal alert for NAS 100 looking to buy at 17,246. But let's fast forward here. This is fucking US 30. It does not get any more real or transparent. Market opened. The candle opened and she immediately squeezed up, hit our order, hit take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, pushed up towards that high area, and then boom, I closed up the trade. That was it. Three fucking minutes. Again, 3 minutes. Now, what did I see here? Let's take a look at US 30. I drew this up for you guys to begin with. We had a big, massive sell-off. She bounced off this base. Guys, it's right here. It's right fucking here. It does not get any more cleaner than this. She came down, hit this level of support, pushed up, came down again. It was lingering around the support area. So at that point, right, I knew I wanted to buy it. I didn't want to sell chase it. There's no way I'm going to sell chase it. So because yesterday was a red day and she had been selling off, I'm going to buy a little push up towards that high, and then potentially you could probably start to see her sell off. But she came down, retested that area multiple times before she finally took off fucking running again. I could have jumped in this trade and rode it back up and made even more profit today. So that was US 30. NAS 100, basically looking for the same thing. It popped a little bit, but then she dropped and then she did push up over time. Again, just not happy with the way NAS 100 has been trading lately. It's kind of like, it is very similar to US 30, but it's US 30 in the morning, it just completely takes off running. But NAS 100 basically like struggles. You can see later on the day, she came down and then she did take off running. But again, it's not getting that morning momentum like we do with US 30. So Awesome day today. I put the signals up day in and day out for my members of the Telegram group. We put out a signal tonight for US dollar CHF. This is another trade. I made a nice profit on, nice little $4,900. I told everyone I was selling at 85,760. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Look at this motherfucker. I mean, just look at it. Came down, take profit 1, 2, 3, easy peasy. Closed out that trade, made a nice little $4,000. These guys, we're crushing it. We're crushing it day in and day out. I challenge people, right? I do my own small account challenges, but I really challenge people to try and find a better. I'm sure there's people out there that have better signals than me, maybe, but they don't go to the extent like I do as far as the chart and really visually breaking it down for people. But who knows? Maybe I am considered one of the best Forex signals out there. So again, if you guys are ever interested in joining my private VIP Telegram group, that link is going to be below this YouTube video. But I strongly recommend signing up under the same broker as me, and that way eventually you'll be able to enable the copy trading, which means that you'll never have to place a trade again. You will physically never have to buy or sell a position again, because with beautiful Trade Locker, the future of trading, Trade Locker, you're going to be able to just copy everything. So that's it for this YouTube video. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and remember guys, nobody goes broke taking profit. Cheers.